Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a Ugg haul that I recently purchased two pairs of Uggs boots and also some Ugg slippers that were on sale for Black Friday. And I'm going to show you these boots I bought from Nordstrom, and they're currently, I believe they were like 30, almost 35% off retail, which is great. And the ones I got. These are called Dalen, and it's the ones with the bow. This is the gray suede one. So pretty. And it's lined with the sheepskin. The price was so great. It was 30% off, around 35% off. So it came out to be $119 a pair. So I ended up getting a second pair because I love these boots so much. I actually own these already in the dark brown color, but I don't have these colors. This one is the chestnut. It's the chestnut color. Look how cute this bow is. So cute. So this size is in between the tall and the small. So this is like the medium size height boot. So those are the boots. And then I purchased these on the Ugg website. They were having a sale as well. And let me get these open for you. Oh. Sorry about that. Okay, so I bought these slippers because they look so cute and comfy and soft. Oh my goodness, so cute. So these are like a fuzzy fur, the fuzzy sheepskin slippers. These are more like slides, and these are in black, and these are size 7. And I got these for a great price. They were, I think, originally like $89, and I got these for $30. So yeah, they were like on clearance. So cute. Yeah, probably put the faux back in order. Thank you for watching my unboxing video and seeing what I got in my Black Friday haul with Uggs. And if you like more videos like this, follow my channel, subscribe down below, and follow me on Instagram at Designer Haul. See you next time.